Hi guys, this is Elias with JAM Pedals. We are at Guitar Summit 2022. It's the first time we're here. It's really nice. It's really silent compared to other shows, and this is very, very welcome. For you, those of you that don't know who we are, we've been building pedals since 2007 in Athens, Greece. We hand make and hand paint each unit that you find from us. We have a rigorous testing procedure, 3-point testing for each pedal before it leaves out to you. We have something that's unique in the business, which is a custom shop where you can have any pedal of ours you want painted however you want it to. And we also produce point-to-point versions of 3 of our pedals that are turret-based and use NOS components that are really exciting that you can find out about. What's new this year? Well, for now, what we can share is that we have a prototype of a new booster around. It's based around the Texas Instruments chip that we are very, very happy to have. Very high headroom, very clean, and we're getting a feel for what people think about it, getting some feedback, and hopefully release it sometime in the next couple of months. So the prototype is this one for the Boomster. It features a Texas Instruments OP82132 chip. As I mentioned, it's very high headroom, beautiful sounding. It's a very simple layout, but it packs a lot under the hood. So first of all, you have a 3-way toggle switch. This is the flat sound. This reduces the top end, the top position, and this introduces some vintage style mids. Now what's cool about it is that we have a couple of trimmers inside that you can fine tune how much you want this to cut highs or introduce mids. Also what's cool is that on the side here is an expression input, and you can hook up any common 10K passive expression pedal and turn it into a volume pedal effectively. It will travel from wherever you have it set, from 0 to wherever you have it set. So this is 2 of the functions that you can have with this pedal, and another one is that it's a high-class buffer. So you can choose for this pedal to be either true or buffered bypass. In buffered bypass, it bypasses the whole circuit, but it only engages a unique buffer circuit that we've built inside, and it helps you carry your signal along longer signal chain lines. So yeah, hopefully you're going to see it go live sometime in October. And yeah, we're very excited about it. So thank you, Andy and Klangfarbe, for stopping by. Have a great show and hope to see you soon.